As you know, Spider-Man is very flexible, very acrobatic, and I am not that, but I do want to share with you a quick tip to help you build flexibility and mobility into your workouts.
Hey! You're that Spider guy on YouTube, right?
Call me Spider-Man!
Okay, Spider-Man! Do a flip! Yeah!
Not bad!
What is up, heroes? My name is Connor and welcome to Athletic Assault, where we combine superheroes and fitness to help you attack your dreams. Today I want to give you a quick tip to help you build your flexibility and your mobility. As you know, Spider-Man is very acrobatic, can do a lot of flips, and he's very flexible. I am not that way, and I'm not going to be able to teach you how to do front flips or back flips, but I can help you build a little bit more flexibility into your workouts. So I just wanted to make this quick video and give you a quick tip. Before your workout, do dynamic stretching. And what dynamic stretching is it's not static. You're not holding a position for 20 or 30 seconds. You're doing body weight squats or lunges or push-ups, and you're going through the full range of motion, so you're still getting your muscles loose and warm and ready for the workout, and that is going to help boost your flexibility and your range of motion throughout the workout. Then after your workout, you can do some static stretching, and that will really help you elongate that muscle and relieve some of that tension. You can do like touching your toes and different things like that will really help you relieve some of that tension on your muscles. Guys, that was my quick tip. I hope that it helped you. If it did, please share it with someone you love. Heroes, your homework for this video, I left a warm-up and a cool-down in the description below that you can use on some of your workouts. So grab that and let me know how it made you feel at your next workout. Heroes, that is it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later, heroes.